नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का। मैं हूं आपके साथ ऋषु त्यागी। तीसरे चरण के लिए मतदान आज सुबह से ही जारी है। 93 सीटों के लिए मतदाता सुबह से ही अपने मत का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। गुजरात की अगर यहां पर बात करें तो गुजरात में 25 सीटों पर, उत्तर प्रदेश की 10 सीटों पर आज मतदान हो रहा है। महाराष्ट्र की 11 सीटों पर, कर्नाटक की 14 सीटों पर मतदान सुबह से जारी है। और कर्नाटक की सीटों पर जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे सहयोगी स्टीफन डेविड इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं। डेविड, द थर्ड फेज ऑफ वोटिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. द हीट वेव हैज अफेक्टेड डेली लाइफ. हाउ इज द zeal of the voters during voting?
14 seats which are seeing elections at this time. In 2019, BJP won all the 14 out of 14. But this time, 2024, there are many other factors which may help the opposition Congress, because right now the battle is between BJP and the Congress. Congress's guarantee scheme, for example, pro-women scheme, which also might help. Congress has already fielded in Bagalkot a lady, Chikodi a lady, Davangere a lady, even in Uttar Karnataka and Shimoga. So Congress will hope that their pro-women guarantee schemes will help in the North Karnataka, Central and North Karnataka region where the elections are taking place. But there are also strong, BJP leaders who are also contesting. For example, Prahlad Joshi in Dharwad and Shimoga, Yediyurappa's son, Raghavendra. Uttar Karnataka normally has been a BJP bastion. So the speaker, Kageri, who is contesting against the Congress lady Anjali, they also may stand a chance. But overall, North Karnataka, unlike 2019 when BJP got 14 out of 14, this time whether BJP will get 14 out of 14 is doubtful, because there are a lot of strong anti-incumbency local factors, Rishi. Last time also they depended on Prime Minister Modi's way. But this time local factors, there is drought condition. People are also wanting a change at the local region. So there is a little doubt whether BJP will repeat 14 out of 14. Congress hopes they'll at least get about 5. So that is the reading as of now.
Okay. David, what is your assessment of the voting percentage in the comparison to the second phase? Will it increase after the first two phases? Political parties also worked hard to increase the voting percentage.
Yes. Normally, right now, the only problem will be the heat wave. So far, at least 5 districts have been terribly affected by the heat wave. But as of now, as of 9:30, close to 10% vote share has already come. But this time, there are a lot of efforts taken by the voting officers. The Congress and the BJP party have also told the local cadres and the grassroots workers to, somehow get people to vote. So there may be a increased effort, but by all the parties to get the people to go and vote. The more people vote, the better for both the parties. So as of now, they have already crossed 2-digit figure vote share. Over a period of time, maybe in the next 4-5 hours, we may see a much more improvement.
Okay, David, thank you for the update.